In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the recent file list in Adobe Photoshop. So you can see here we have all of our recent files, and if you try right clicking, there's no way to actually remove these. Now there's two different solutions. We can either remove this home screen altogether, or what we can do is just hide these files that are currently showing. Now I'm going to be showing you both methods. The first method to remove just this list is to click on File in the top navigation, click on Open Recent, and then click on Clear Recent File List. And as you can see, that deletes the file list and we're no longer able to see the recent files. Now the second thing you can do is actually just get rid of this home screen altogether, and you could do that by clicking on Edit in the top navigation, scrolling all the way down and clicking on Preferences, select General, and then just untick this option to auto show the home screen and press OK. And now if we reopen Adobe Photoshop, you can see what will happen is it will go straight over to creating a new document and it won't show the recent list at all. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.